Dear students, in last class we discussed about how to find the root of a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. In this class I am going to teach you how to find the root of a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Before that we have to derive the quadratic formula. For that I am going to write the general form of a quadratic equation: a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I am going to solve this quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. So that a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is the general form of a quadratic equation. I am going to solve this equation by the method of completing the square. The first step is moving the constant term to the RHS. That is a square plus bx, which is equal to plus c goes to RHS, it will become minus c. So a square plus bx is equal to minus c. Next step is, step 2 is consider the coefficient of a square. Here a is the coefficient of a square. I am going to divide this equation by a. When we divide a square by a, we will get x square plus divide bx by a means bx by a, which is equal to on RHS minus c by a. So we divide the equation throughout by a. So then we got x square plus bx by a, which is equal to minus c by a. The next step is take the coefficient of x. Here b by a is the coefficient of x. The next step is half of it, means b by 2a. Then the square of it means b by 2a all square. B by 2a all square. So we took the coefficient of x, that is b by a. Then half of it means b by 2a. The square of it means b by 2a all square. We are going to add this quantity to this equation, which means x square plus bx by a plus b by 2a all square, which is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a all square. So we added this quantity b by 2a all square to both LHS and RHS. So we got x square plus bx by a plus b by 2a all square, which is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a all square. We know that in this step the LHS will become either in the form a plus b all square or a minus b all square. Here plus, therefore we can understand that it is a plus b all square form, so that we can write x plus b by 2a all square. When we expand, we will get s plus b by 2a all square means a plus b all square, a square, that is s square, 2ab, 2 into x into b by a, that is 2 cancel, bx by a plus b square means b by 2a all square, which is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a all square means b square by 4a square. When we find the square, you will get b square by 4s. So s plus b by 2a all square is equal to minus c by a plus b square, which means x plus b by 2a all square, which is equal to, we have to add this minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Before that I am going to take minus c by a. Here denominator is 4a square, here only a. So I am going to change this denominator a in the form of 4a square, so that I am going to multiply minus c by a with the 4a. So when we multiply with the numerator, we have to also multiply with the denominator, then there will be no change. So I am going to multiply 4a with the numerator and the denominator. So we got minus c by a into 4a divided by a into 4a, which means minus 4ac. Minus c into 4a means minus 4ac divided by 4 4a square. So we multiplied 4a with both denominator and numerator, then there will be no change. So we got minus 4ac by 4a square. So instead of minus c by a, I am going to write minus 4ac divided by 4a square plus b square by 4a square. B square by 4a square. So s plus b by 2a all square is equal to minus 4ac by 4a square plus b square by 4a square. Now we can easily add, which means x plus b by 2a all square, x plus b by 2a all square, which is equal to minus 4ac. X plus b by 2a all square is equal to minus 4ac by 4a square plus b square by 4a square. I am going to add these two fractions. Then we will get it is equal to minus 4ac plus b square divided by 4a square. Minus 4ac plus b square divided by 4a square. Or I am going to write x plus b by 2a all square, which is equal to, here minus, so I am going to write this minus 10 second, b square first plus b square first, then minus 10, minus 4ac by 4a square, minus 4ac plus b square minus 4a square. X plus b by 2a all square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Take the square roots on both sides. When we take the square roots, x plus b by 2a all square, take the square roots, square root and square root cancel, then we will get x plus b by 2a. The square root cancel when we take the square root. So we got x plus b by 2a, which is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which means square root means root of b square minus 4ac, square root of the numerator as well as the square root of the denominator. B square minus 4ac divided by root of 4a square, which means x plus b by 2a is equal to x plus b by 2a, which is equal to root of b square minus 4ac divided by root of 4a square. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of a square is a. So square root of 4a square means 2a. So we got x plus b by 2a is equal to root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Now we have to move this b by 2a to the r-axis, which means, sorry, there is a plus or minus is there, plus or minus b square, root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Now we have to move this b by 2a to the r-axis, which means x is equal to, when this b by 2a goes to r-axis, we will get minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. B square minus 4ac by 2a minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which means here 2a is the denominator, here also 2a is the denominator, we can add, which means it is equal to, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So we have two values, x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac 2a and minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So we got two values for x. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is known as the quadratic formula. Using this formula, we can find the root of the quadratic equation. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is the quadratic formula. I am going to solve this equation. X square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. We are going to solve this equation by the method of quadratic formula. So x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So here when we compare with the general form, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 25x, b is equal to minus 25, and c is equal to 156. When we compare this equation with the general form of the quadratic equation, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 25, and c is equal to 156. So our formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So we use this formula to find the solution of this equation. So we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 25, and c is equal to 156. We are going to distribute these values to this equation. We are going to distribute the values of a, b, and c to this equation, and we will get x is equal to minus b. Here b is minus 25, minus b means minus 25, that is minus b. Minus is here, b means minus 25. So instead of b, we wrote minus 25 plus or minus root of b square minus 4s. b square means b means minus 25, so b square means minus 25 square minus 4 into a means a is equal to 1 into c is equal to a 4a into c. 4 into a into c means c 156 divided by 2a. So we distribute the values of a, b, and c to the equation. So we got x is equal to minus 25 plus or minus b square minus 25 square minus 4 into 1 into 156 by 2a, which is equal to minus 25. Minus means plus. So minus of minus 25 means plus 25 plus or minus root of, instead of a we have to give 1, so 2 into 1. So the step is 25 plus or minus root of b square minus 4s. b square means minus 25 square, which means minus square plus 25 square, which is 25. So minus 25 square means 625, because minus square plus 25 square is 25. So we got 625 minus 4 into 1 into 156. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 156, which means 624. So when we multiply 4 into 1 into 156, we will get 624 divided by 2 into 1. So we got 25 plus or minus root of 625 minus 624 by 2, which is equal to 25 plus or minus root of 625 minus 624. 625 minus 624 means 1 by 2. So 25 plus or minus 625 minus 624, which means 1 divided by 2, which is equal to, which implies 25 plus or minus 25 plus or minus root of 1 means 1. So 25 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. So we got x is equal to 25 plus or minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 25 plus or minus 1 by 2, which means x is equal to 25 plus 1 by 2, or 25 here plus or minus, so 25 minus 1 by 2. 25 plus 1 by 2 or 25 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 25 plus 1, 26 by 2, or 25 minus 1 means 24 by 2. So we got two values for x. X is equal to 26 by 2 or 24 by 2. 26 by 2 means 30. 26 by 2 which is equal to 30, or 24 by 2 which means 12. So x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. So we got two values for x, 13 and 12. So 13 and 12 are the roots of this quadratic equation. X square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Let us consider another example. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. First, we have to compare this with the general form of the quadratic equation. We will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to minus 180. When we compare this equation with the general form of a quadratic equation, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to minus 180. Now we have to find the solution of this equation using this formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have to substitute these values to the equation. So we got x is equal to minus b. Here b is equal to minus h. So minus b means minus of minus h plus or minus root of b square. B square means minus h square. That is minus h square minus 4 into ac. A is 1 and c is minus 180. So we got b square minus 4ac minus a square minus 4 into 1 into minus 180 divided by 2 into a, 2 into 1. When we substitute these values in the equation, we got this step. So we have to find out x. Minus of 8, which means minus of minus plus, that is plus h plus or minus root of minus a square. Minus square, it will become positive, and a square is 64. So 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 4 into 1 into minus 190. So here is minus, here also minus. So minus into minus, it will become positive. So 64 plus 4 into 1 into 180. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 180 means 720. Divided by 2 into 1. So we got 8 plus or minus root of 64 root of plus 720 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 64 plus 720, which means 784 divided by 2. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 784 by 2. X is equal to, x is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 784 means 28, because 28 square is equal to 784. Therefore, root of 784 is equal to 28. So 8 plus or minus 28 divided by 2. So we got two values. X is equal to 8 plus or minus 28 by 2, which means x is equal to 8 plus 28 by 2, or x is equal to 8 minus 28 by 2. We got two values. X is equal to 8 plus 28 by 2, or x is equal to 8 minus 28 by 2. That is, x is equal to 8 plus 28 means 36 by 2, or x is equal to 8 minus 28 means minus 20 by 2. So we got two values. X is equal to 36 by 2, or x is equal to minus 20 by 2. X is equal to 36 by 2 means x is equal to 80, or x is equal to minus 20 by 2 means minus 10. So we got two values for x. X is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. So 18 and minus 10 are the roots of this quadratic equation. X square minus 8x minus 190 is equal to 0. Thus we studied how to find the root of a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Thank you.